Welcome to We Never Walk Alone, the nationwide peer support and mental health professional network for law enforcement. We hope that you will take the time to check out the other tutorial videos in our We Never Walk Alone, Stronger Together video series. We Never Walk Alone currently has over 1,200 officers and their families accessing the platform resources. One of the pillars of the We Never Walk Alone system is providing a vetted directory of mental health professionals to our members. This tutorial video will explain how we go about signing up the mental health professional. We all know that even trained peer support can only go so far. Sometimes the officer will need to be handed off to a vetted, trusted professional. Officers can call directly from our app to set up an appointment with the provider. The mental health professionals will work with the officer and/or their insurance companies for payments. We Never Walk Alone is not involved in billing in any way. We have no role in how the mental health professional gets paid or how the officer pays the mental health professionals. We are just connecting them as part of our We Never Walk Alone network services. The only thing we do is vet them to ensure that they are top-notch, law enforcement experienced professionals. Here are a few of the program highlights. All of the mental health professionals are vetted by Badge of Life and Miss Vicki Poklop, the embedded police counselor with the Des Plaines, Illinois Police Department. Badge of Life is a recognized leader in law enforcement mental health and suicide prevention training. All of the professionals are available 24/7 and have proven experience dealing with law enforcement. They all adhere to the American Psychological Association Ethical Principles of Psychologists and Code of Conduct. We ensure that all licenses, malpractice insurance, and other documents are kept up to date. Please note that there is no constraint that the department have to use the mental health professionals listed in our directory. There is no such exclusivity clause. They can refer their officers to whomever they wish. We just make it convenient for them by giving all of these resources under one roof. To become a part of our vetted directory, simply go to weneverwalkalone.org/mental health professional sign up. Please have your license, malpractice insurance, infractions report if any, and your resume handy. On the page that appears, fill in the details, upload your documents, and submit. There is no cost to the mental health professional to sign up to be listed on our platform, now or ever. Applying is as easy as that. There are certain qualities that we highly desire in our applicants. They must have experience working with law enforcement, must be available to take calls at odd hours, and must be able to get the officer into their schedule within 24 hours of the initial call. Once the vetting has been completed, the mental health professional's profile will appear on our platform, giving their name and picture, contact information, location, areas of specialization, and insurance providers. We will reach out annually to collect any updates to their practice and request any paperwork that is expiring shortly. We would greatly appreciate your sharing this video with other mental health professionals that you feel would meet these high standards of professionalism and availability so that our officers will never walk alone.